Coloring has been shown to reduce stress and anxiety. Just 5 to 10 minutes of coloring can provide the same benefits as meditation. This time, I'm going over my favorite coloring apps in the App Store. Colorfy Adult Coloring. Join millions of grown-ups who enjoy coloring and connect with them around the globe. Enjoy more than 2,000 designs and 2,000 colors and gradients, including basic, pastel, vintage, and many more. Colorfy Coloring Art Games. One of the most popular coloring app that features a wide range of digital designs from animals to well-known paintings. AR Virtual Gallery lets you visualize your drawings in the real world as if they were a painting on your wall. Color by Number Coloring Book. Amazing pixel art with numbers. Color by numbers in this new addictive game. Choose from a variety of super fun images and follow the numbers to bring them to life. Coloring has never been this easy. Pigment Adult Coloring Book. Pigment offers a very realistic coloring experience. Use your fingertip like a brush or pencil, coloring back and forth to fill the empty spaces. Choose from 23 different kinds of coloring tools, including markers, brushes, and pencils, plus an unlimited array of colors. Recolor Coloring Book. With 1,000 unique coloring pictures that is suited for beginner to expert level, Recolor makes it easy to rediscover the relaxation of coloring. Finish your creation with unique style themes that bring your design and creativity to life. So get these apps and start coloring. It doesn't really matter if you are looking for a way to kill time or simply trying to relax. It's time to get creative.